back to my channel. I am Leia, and I'm sorry, but anyway, for today's content, I'm gonna do unboxing, and as you can see, I'm gonna do unboxing my first ever Chanel. All right, so this is my this is from my husband. It's my anniversary gift from him, and then it's actually early gift na anniversary kasi hindi pa po na anniversary namin, mga next month. But anyway, excited lang siyang bumili. Siya excited or ako, whatever. But anyway, he promised me to buy Chanel. I mean, he promised me na bibilan niya akong Chanel sa anniversary, pero napaaga. I don't know why. Ayaw niyang magastos, diba? Kasi alam mo naman, yung asawa ko, meron din siyang mga sariling yung mga let's say, sa kanya rin. Kung sa akin bag, sa kanya mas mahal. Kung alam niyo lang. Ay, nako. Whatever. But anyway, okay, I'm gonna do unboxing, guys. Actually, kinuha ko na siya sa paper bag kasi, I don't know, I'm tired, pero I realized na sige na nga, mag-unbox na nga ako. So, anyway, so we went to the store. It's a little, far from our place, an hour and a half, almost New York na. But, okay. So, I'm gonna do the unboxing. This is a limited edition nila. And, anyway guys, did you notice na palaging nakalagay Coco Chanel? And then I just realized, because we do the searching, and then my husband do the searching. Coco is her nickname. Her name is Gabrielle Chanel, but her nickname is Coco. But anyway, I'm gonna show you my bag, and yeah, this is a limited edition. Hindi lahat ng store ng Chanel na meron sila. So, lucky ako today kasi nakita ko siya. But anyway, sa store ngayon yung wala na, isa na lang siguro. But anyway, alright guys, so this is my Chanel bag. This is the box, of course, obviously. Parang baliw. But anyway, let me do the unboxing, guys. Wow, wow. Hi. Look at that. This is only the dust bag. The dust bag, guys. This is the dust bag. Although, yung advisor ko, nagbigay siya sa akin ng Chanel. Gusto mo magbisaya ako, guys? Magbisaya na lang ko kay murag wala may kung abot lang. Magbisaya ta Tagalog sa man. Kita mo adjust. Okay, kitagan ko niya og black na bag. And since this is my first Chanel bag, so hindi ko alam na meron silang ganito. It's a instruction para paano mo sila linisin. Amazing. But anyway, okay, so I'm gonna open it. Okay guys, i-open ko na. Pero, may papel pa siya. So, eto guys, may papel pa. Kinuha ko na. Tanggalin na natin. Ready? Are you ready? Okay, 1, 2, 3, oh! Ta-da! Here you go, my Chanel. Char, my Chanel. Okay guys, look. This is it, okay? Yung size is bagay lang sa size ko. Hindi ako pwedeng mag-big bag. I mean, although, pwede, pero ako lang, it's my choice kasi ayokong magmukha akong na ang laki ng bag ko, tas ang liit kong babae. And then, this is it. This is a flap bag. This is a Chanel flap bag. This is the compartment. That's paper, but guys. This is the compartment. Here. Malaki naman siya. Bagay talaga. I love it. I really do. But look, meron siyang maliit na compartment dito. And then, this is the best. This is the most, na nagustuhan ko. Chadang! Chadang. Okay? See this? Kita nyo guys? Ito yung naanuhan ko kasi siguro kaya limited kasi parang ito lang yung nakita ko rin na Chanel ng mga string na may ganito. So kaya sigurong limited siya. See? It's so cute guys. There's only black and white. But I rather get the white kasi ang black parang feeling ko madaming you can get anything na black. Pero this one is so cute. Let me stand up guys, okay? This is ayan. This is so cute. Oh, so cute guys. Alright. So cute. And there we go. So I'm gonna try to read the recibo. So this is the recibo. It's a FLAPBAG volant white. So kung gusto ninyong i-search, baka meron pa kasi size limited. It's FLAPBAG volant white. Ilalagay ko na lang sa title ng YouTube ko para ma-search ninyo. Alright? So, it's actually, wow, the tax. But anyway, and let me tell you something too. So, ang nagustuhan ko online is wala sila. Kasi daw daming nag-order or daming may gusto. So, meaning, kung mabili ko yun, madami kaming may ganun. Right? And the good thing is, yun, mas mahal. Imagine that, mas mahal pala yun. So, hindi ako masyadong na feel bad. Kahit hindi ko naman pera, alam nyo naman. Pero, pag mga ganyan ba, actually napaisip ako if it's worth it na bibilan ako ng ganito. Na, na yung hindi ko naman, actually hindi ko masyadong type yung mga design ng Chanel. Kasi parang it's just, parang normal. Like, parang, really, bakit ka magbabayad ng ganyan ka, Parang, I don't know. Probably, kasi wala pa ako. But anyway. So, pero nung nakita ko to, sabi ko, ito na lang. Kasi parang worth the price. Nakuha ko tuloy. So, anyway guys. Yun lang, story ko. Kasi nagdadalawang isip ako. Habang nandun ako, nagdadalawang isip ako kung talagang yan ang ipapabili ko sa asawa ko. Diba? Pero sige na lang kasi actually na-excite ako sa sinabi niya. Sabi niya na babalik daw kami doon. Char. So parang nagustuhan ko na doon. Nakita ko to parang masyado akong nag-judge ako agad sa Chanel. Although hindi ko naman inanubal kasi syempre mahal na yun ang price tapos magja-judge pa ako. Pero alam mo naman sometimes ba, 'di ba, yung mga isip ng babae, gulo-gulo. Diba? So, yan guys. So, nung nakita ko si Chanel na ito, na limited edition. Limited siya. I fell in love. I love it. I wanna get the black one. But charot. I wanna get the black one. Parinig yun sa asawa ko. It's so cute. But anyway, here. Pinakita ko na ba kayo? Oh, okay. Yeah, yung dust bag, yung gano'n. And then, alright. So, she's very nice. My advisor. She gave me this gift. It's a perfume, guys. I'm gonna take this out. Oh, I can't. I don't think I should. But anyway, this is it. This one. She gave me this. This is so cool. She's very cool. She's, smells so good too. But anyway. Alright. Alright, guys. Binigyan niya na akong... Okay. Ano ba yan? Sorry guys, kasi wala. Actually guys, napagod na talaga ako. After nito, magpapahinga na ako. Okay, so unbox na natin guys. Nakita na natin yung first ever Chanel ko na regalo sa akin ng asawa ko because it's our anniversary, wedding anniversary. So ito yung regalo niya sa akin. And then, ano pa bang chika? So, okay. So, ito ang story pala. Hindi pa anniversary namin. So, malapit na. Ang plano sana niya is bibili niya sa ibang lugar kasi para sa bakasyon. Pero ayaw niya ako mabigo, of course, kasi baka pagpunta doon, wala. So, binigay na niya sa akin ngayon. Whatever. Okay, guys. Alright. He's just very sweet. I'm just telling you this. It's very sweet. Kasi naman, hindi ko naman siya inaano sa gusto din niya. Diba? Fair lang. Diba, guys? So, anyway. So, thanks for watching. Please subscribe and like. And then, huwag kayong magsawang mag-support sa akin, guys. Kasi, we are getting there.